welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to set a password on Binance. So the first step we need to do is go to our profile, and now we pick here in settings. In this part of settings, you need to go to the account option, and now we pick in security. So in security, we need to go down, and here in this option where set authenticator app, we pick here in management. So here you can enable authenticator app. So you need to pick here, and now you need to download your authenticator app. You pick here in next. And now you need to download the authenticator app, and here you need to put the 6-digit code for generate your authenticator. So you need to download the authenticator app. It's like this in your phone. The authenticator Google app. It's something like that. This is the app, and you looking that in your Play Store, and you download that, and you need to paste here the code of the app to enable this option. So this is the process. This is the process of the authenticator. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.